Good evening. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Thank you for kind concern. What about you?
Yes, I'm doing great. Thank you so much for asking. So, can you introduce yourself? It will be better for us.
Yeah, sure. So my name is Miraz. I'm connected from UAE, and basically I was born and brought up. So my name is Miraz. I'm connecting from UAE, and basically I was born and brought up in Bihar. If you talk about my hobby, I love play outdoor game just like cricket, badminton, and football. And simultaneously, I have one channel on YouTube. That channel name is English Connection with Miraz. So could you please introduce yourself in a nutshell?
I think your side in a network issue. Maybe that's why when you start speaking, you're not.
There is no any problem. I can listen to you properly. Something is everything is okay here. My side is okay. Now is okay. There is
Sometimes
any
it's okay, not.
problem. Okay, sometime there is a network. Okay, so could you please introduce yourself?
Okay. So, I'm Menika. I'm from Jharkhand and I'm a mother. And if I talk about my hobbies, so I like to reading books. And I also like to enjoy spare time with my kids. Apart from this, I'm running my YouTube channel where I upload English related content, not only conversational video, but also like sometimes shorts, solo video with myself. That's it. It's all about me.
Wow, it's great. So, ma'am, I have some question. Can I ask some question for you? Yeah, you want to ask? So
Yes, you
I think
can
I
go.
feel like that homemaker is very difficult work. It's very challenging work because I know that you have got used to in this time. But how to manage because it's not cup of the tea because everyone say like that homemaker is the very easy work and anyone can do, but I know that is not easy work. It's very tough challenge. So how to manage your time because you have one channel on YouTube as well as you have to look after your family. So how to
Mhm.
manage that thing? That is the secret. Could you please tell me something about your secret?
Actually, you know what? Many time I talk this topic and the same answer in my head. So first, I want to know what do you do for living?
Yeah, I'm a job holder.
You live with your family, or you just live
No, I
alone?
live alone here.
So you have to do all the work. So tell me
Yes.
how you manage. Because when we have a responsibility, we have an idea how to manage all the things. If you are a
Yeah.
person, you are just blaming, you are just mm, making excuse, then maybe it will be difficult. But if you are, if you know we don't have option, what you will do, then you know how to handle all the things. Okay, so it's a
Yeah.
simple. Not a challenging
Exactly.
task, not a difficult, not like science. Everyone's just doing this. Okay, so you have to find out how to save time, how to sort out your problem, how to complete your task on time. It's
Okay.
not a
Okay.
typical task for become a housewife, become a homemaker, managing all the things. Yes, but we become habitual and we know how to do all the things on time. It's okay. I don't consider it's a typical thing.
Oh, you don't consider it a difficult thing? Oh,
No,
wow.
it's not like that.
Hey.
Okay, so I just want to practice some words because these are just repetiting question and I talk many times and I don't
Yeah,
want
true.
to.
Yeah, absolutely right. That is the repeated
Okay.
question. I know that mostly people they ask this question.
So we should go ahead because when we interact with any new people, they have a same question in their mind.
Okay,
Okay,
okay, ma'am.
so
Sorry for
because
I
all
don't
the
want.
time.
Uh,
Okay,
okay,
no
okay.
issue.
So okay, so
So I have some words. I have just one word. Okay, one word.
mhm,
We will
mhm,
learn words and word and we will frame the sentence. But you have to
mhm.
task. You have to tell me if you know. Then you have to tell the synonym of that word. It means related word.
Okay, I will
Okay,
try.
and the word is pivotal. Pivotal. VOTAL. First, you tell me what is the meaning, and then pivotal.
Pivotal. I heard this word, but I couldn't ring a bell. What does mean of that words?
Okay, I just gave some more clue related of this word, then you will easily understand what I'm saying.
Mhm.
Okay, and the second one is crucial.
Crucian.
Crucial.
Okay, Crucian. No, ma'am, I don't have any clue about this word.
Essential.
Essential. Essential means necessary.
Necessary. Or the meaning of
Hmm.
all the words is similar. Yes,
Oh.
something is very important.
Okay.
Paramount means something is very,
Paramount.
very important.
Something very. Hmm.
Essential, crucial, vital, significant, pivotal. Yeah.
Oh.
All the time we just become habitual of using very important and
Hmm.
important, and sometimes we
Hmm.
just use like essential. Yeah,
Essential.
but we are not
Hmm.
aware of these words. Okay, so we should use all these words like pivotal, vital, essential, crucial, yeah, paramount. So now next task is you have to frame sentence use of the
This sentence. Huh?
same word.
Nece- Necessary. Okay. Thanks.
Hmm.
Okay. Essential. Yeah, actually, okay, essential. So this time, I think I feel like that. Okay, if you want to do any kind of thing, just like any work, just like you are homemaker and other person who work out of the outside work, so I think consistency and necessary for to know about your work. Okay, which kind of work you want to do before starting any work, before doing any kind of work, you try to know about that work. So it is the better than you can perform well about that work, but you don't know about this work, you don't know about that field. So it's very difficult to directly you enter this field and you try to do that thing. I think it is my opinion. I feel like that in necessary for learn any work. Just like you want to become an engineer, you want to become a doctor, the first you try to find out your comfort zone, which platform, which thing is your comfort zone, you can do it. So then you can do in necessary, and practice is the necessary for doing any work. Just like we want to one we are here, we want to learn this language. So I think everyone said like that, practice makes people perfect. So I also believe like that consistency and necessarily is the very important role for learning any language, any work, and anything. So I think it's all about me.
Okay. Essential, okay, not
Essential.
essential. Essential. Like you can frame small sentences like water is critical for all of us. Critical is the same meaning.
Critical.
Okay.
Hmm.
Critical is a same meaning. Water is critical for all of us. यानी पानी हम सभी के लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है, बहुत जरूरी है.
Yeah.
In these days, learning English is become an essential part of our life.
Hmm.
हम्म, आजकल
Hmm.
इंग्लिश सीखना हमारे जीवन का मुख्य कार्य,
बहुत
बहुत
बड़ा।
महत्वपूर्ण कार्य बन गया है. हम्म,
Hmm.
और and you can just frame some more sentences like this task is very vital. This task will play vital role for my company
Travel.
if I will complete on time.
Hmm.
You can frame some long sentences. Okay, the it will be help to recall the words very long time.
Hmm.
Hmm? So in this way, if you want to try framing more sentences, then you should try. Otherwise,
Okay, okay, same
hmm,
word, no? Same word
same
या
word.
other word?
Critical, vital, same word, same
Okay,
word.
vital.
Essential, paramount.
I go for the.
Sometimes you can use paramount. Yeah, critical,
It's very difficult to catch all words
pivotal.
because one to what I would you like to use and this create any story.
Because become
Okay.
we are habitual. Our tongue become habitual of using same word. all the time.
Symphony,
Yeah,
yeah, exactly.
maybe that is the reason we are not able to catch the word on time properly. But when you are going
Mm,
to use every single day, then you will become and you will able to understand how to use it while speaking.
yeah,
Hmm?
exactly. Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely right, ma'am.
Hmm.
Because mostly time we use of the common word, so that's why that
Hmm.
word we have got used to on that word, and suddenly you
Hmm.
try to go for the extra word, so that is it will take time, but it's possible you can learn.
Hmm.
And
Yeah.
mm,
Yes, it will take. Okay, okay. It will take time, no issue. But we should try something different each and every day. Yeah.
yeah, exactly, yeah. Yes, Sam. Yeah, absolutely right. Yeah, like, by the way, you are having same food every day. So I think it's not feel well. So we should
Hmm.
try to do every day. We should try
We,
to learn
hmm.
something new,
We
and you can
can't eat
try to.
same food every day. Yeah, easily get bored. Yes,
Yeah, the same thing
we
is
try
here.
to change our taste.
The
The
same
same
thing we
thing.
should
Our
apply
mind
here.
is not ready to having same stuff
Hmm.
because when you are taking same stuff, it means you are
Hmm.
leaving your comfort zone.
Hmm. You don't want to go for your comfort zone.
Hmm.
Hmm.
So you have to go ahead of your comfort zone. You have to try to learn something different because when you are going to do something new, that time our mind is not ready to do. But if you are doing every single day, it will become habitual and start taking action.
Exactly. Hmm. Hmm.
So,
Absolutely. Because I remember one movie. That movie was a Three Idiot. There is a one dialogue that is a very our mind is always try to mix full. You try to mix our mind is a full. Yeah, because our mind suddenly catch anything.
hmm,
Maybe.
hmm. Okay. Okay, so no, it's not. You should try these word in different session, and when we are going to
Yes.
do have a session with different people, try to use some different word. Okay.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
Can we
Definitely,
remember
I
one
will.
more time? Want to just tell me? Are you able to
Yeah,
recall or
because
not?
that
Hmm.
because this video is going to is being recorded, so definitely I would like to I learned so many things, and because that word I couldn't catch right now, I don't have a
Okay,
remember
so
that
I'm
word,
going
I
to tell you
couldn't
again.
recall.
Okay,
Yeah,
I'm going to tell you
can
again.
I
Then we. Okay, this will record. This will record. Okay.
okay, okay, okay.
Uh-huh. So the first one is pivotal. The meaning of all word is
Pivot.
same. ठीक है?
Yeah,
Pivotal,
pivoted.
critical,
Hmm.
crucial, vital, significant, paramount, essential.
Okay.
Okay, crucial.
Hmm.
Yeah, these are the word.
Crucial, paramount.
Yes,
Hmm.
critical,
Critical, crucial, paramount.
pivotal,
Yeah, vital,
vital,
pivoted, vital,
significant,
and significance, mm,
essential.
uh,
Yeah.
essential. Same
Okay.
word, one word, but meaning is the same. Like if
Same.
you use
Yes.
that
Very important.
word, very important. Like if you use this word is the in front of different type person, so I think hardly people they catch this word.
Yes. Okay. So can we wind up the session?
Yeah, ma'am. Sure. Thank you for
Okay.
giving me
Thank you so
precious time.
much.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.